My father is a real lover of cars. He knows the stories, the years, who won, the pilot.
We heredited from my father. We began to know classic cars since we were very young, and we learned to love those cars.
Some years ago, he started looking for a collection of these classic historic cars. In the beginning, I think a little bit like hobby, and then he started to see that we could race.
We began in 2012, and I think it became more serious in 2016 with speed races and regularity races. At the beginning, my sister and me as co-pilot, and then it's one of us in one car. We began with the Porsche 356B and also the DLR.
I enjoy all cars, but this one is very special because of its history.
He enjoys so much that he wants all the family together and to be part of his hobby, no?
I think the scenario, this castle, is a very, very good show. In fact, the second time we were here, I think we were 6 years ago. We did present Talbot Lago, so we won the class. It was a fantastic car. I did 5 times Le Mans. The fact is that I love American cars, especially V8, is because my father, when I was a child, had American cars, Hudson, Chrysler, cars making noise. I don't like electric cars. In our group, we have been making bets of which car was going to win the class. Now it's easy to say, but you know that from the beginning, I believed that probably the first prize was going to be for the car this week. And for that reason, I choose to drive the car this week. Thank you very much.
Congratulations again for your win. Dans cette catégorie, hommage à Betty des voitures d'histoire américaine et
The winner of the car this week is ex-Bill Murphy car. Bill Murphy was a Buick dealer in California in the 50s. He got this 500X. That probably is the most successful and the most interesting 500X remaining. He won many races against Ferraris, Maseratis, Jaguars at the time. In fact, there are several magazines, American magazines, calling it American Idol. weekend. We have enjoyed the group, the family.
It's very beautiful and they are lovely cars and I love to go with them, with the family and enjoy it.
Who's the better driver, you or your mother?
Of course, me.
We have the video.